day. More baby animals are on the way, from forest deep to ocean blue. Let's meet some babies, one or two. In the forest, quiet and quick, lives a fox with her little kids. They leap and hide in leafy shade, with clever games and tricks well played. In a tree, an owl goes woo, and in her nest there's someone new. A tiny owlet flaps each wing, learning how to fly and sing. In the jungle, big and gray, an elephant walks with the calf each day. They splash in mud, they trumpet loud, and walk together tall and proud. The raccoon family sleeps all day, then at night the kids come out to play. With stripy tails and sneaky paws, they scurry around without a pause. By the river, fierce and wide, a crocodile has hatchlings by his side. They snap and swim with little might, learning to hunt from morning to night. Across the plains in stripes of black, a zebra foal stays close to track. It runs and plays in open air, with mama's eyes watching with care. On icy shores in snow so thick, a penguin guards her little chick. They huddle close to beat the cold, with waddles funny and stories told. A graceful swan upon the lake swims with cygnets in her wake. They paddle slowly, soft and white, under sunshine warm and bright. With necks so long and spots all neat, a giraffe calf finds leafy treats. It stretches up to take a bite, then nuzzles mom with pure delight. In rivers swift, the otters play, and cubs float gently every day. They hold hands tight to never drift, in waters cool they swim and lift. A turtle mom lays eggs in sand, soon hatchlings crawl across the land. They rush to sea with tiny feet, adventure calls in waters deep. High in trees where eucalyptus grows, a koala mom rocks to and fro. Her Joey clings to her worn back as they nap along their leafy track. In mountains tall and sky so clear, a llama hums to her cry and near. With fluffy coats and steady pace, they hike together, place to place. By the shore with rocks and sun, a seal and her pup have splashing fun. They slide and